So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So are you looking to level up your career in finance and analytics? So here is a golden opportunity with Wipro, which is one of the global IT and consulting giants. So Wipro is hiring for the role of analyst in investment management in Gurugram, and the work you will be doing here is not just technical but highly strategic role. So you will be basically you will basically dealing with management to financial modeling using Python, Tableau, Power BI, etc. So let's break down the full details of the job, skills requirements, and how you can apply today. But before diving into details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for the notes for daily job updates and career tips, and also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload a new video. So now let's dive into this wonderful opportunity. So as you can see, the job is of analyst, and company is none other than the Wipro, one of the biggest consulting giant. And it's a full-time hybrid opportunity based out of Gurugram, Haryana, India. And the key responsibilities for this role, let's jump. Okay. So as you can see, they have mentioned so many responsibilities for this particular role. So I'll just summarize them. And as an analyst in asset-based finance and team under structured finance, here's what you will be doing. You will be assisting in managing structured finance deals with ABF deal analyst, analyzing and preparing investment committee memos and team sheets. You will be performing pre-deal due to diligence using the Python to access collateral risk. You'll also be involved into creating and monitoring cash flows and stress test scenarios. Not just that, you'll also be involved into building reports, update one pages, and track KPIs for both public and private deals. Along with that, you'll also be using tools like Intex, Tableau, Power BI, Strict Diligence, Sigma, and Excel for analytics. He'll get involved in asset valuations, sector level presentations, and portfolio level analysis. So you're gonna get a great exposure along with finance, both technical and finance exposure you're gonna get. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity. I will be mentioning the direct link for this job into the description. Head to the description after listening to the skills and responsibility sections and apply as soon as possible. So the other section is skills required section. So as you can see, skills required, they have mentioned. So you must have a MBA degree in finance or CFA certification is, preferred. Plus strong analytical and financial modeling skills, proficiency in Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and tools like Tableau. You also should have excellent communication multitasking abilities, along with understanding of structured finance, collateral, asset-backed securities, and experience with tools like Python or Intex is a big plus. So if you have knowledge of Python, it's again a bonus thing. So now let's understand a little bit about the performance and culture. So how you will be accessed at Wipro. So you'll be basically accessed on the number of cases resolved per day, like quality, compliance, process level SLA adherence, plus training hours completed and productivity. Don't worry, Wipro is a diverse, equal opportunity employer committed to a supportive and inclusive workplace. So they even offer reasonable accommodations for applicants with disabilities. So if someone with disabilities want to work with a Wipro, they can still apply for this job because Wipro do not differentiate or have any partial decisions on the basis of disability. They offer even some accommodations for the applicants if they have disability. So just go through the page and then you'll get to know all these things and apply accordingly. And yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. And this is your chance to join a prestigious team handling high impact investment deals, working on cutting edge financial analytics, and build a powerful finance tech career. So, if you're someone with finance acumen and Python skills and MBA degree, then don't miss this opportunity. Like this video if you found it helpful, comment below if you want PDF or JD or any other things from our end, or you want any resume tips as well. So just and also share this with your friends or colleagues who might be interested or who might you think are eligible for this role. You can share with them and subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates because we are bringing three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. And turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. So that's it for this wonderful opportunity. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.